Yeah. It's crazy, man. Woo! Every time I wake up, man, and I'm looking at the media, I'm like, man, this can't be it. We're living in the last days. Yeah, I feel your pain. 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 When I look at the world, I just want it to change. Feel your pain. Yeah, I 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 feel your pain. Yeah, this world is crazy. Just want to save my babies. Feel your pain. Yeah, I 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 feel your pain. When I look at the world, I just want it to change. I feel your pain. Yeah, 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 this world is crazy. Just want to save my babies. Feel your pain. I feel you, man. Look, my heart beating so hard right now. Every time I look around, cops killing our own kind, man. Every time I see people dying, the buildings, they still flying. Everybody going crazy in my city. Everybody going crazy in that city. Everybody rioting, the issue with it. Man, that's foolishness, that ain't God in it. Let me tell you about something that's real, bro. I'm talking about something that's real, boy. When you give your life to Christ, He'll give you spiritual eyes to see and say, hey, I gotta give you the truth. Why I'm rapping so loud? Because it's my heart in the booth. I ain't just rapping, I ain't talking, man. I feel your pain. I know about the pain. Woo, we can't fight with this thing with fists. Guns ain't gonna do it. If we don't think with our mind, we already defeated. The battlefield, the wars against the mind. If they can control us with the media, if they can control us what we eat, what we do, how we think, they got you, man. If you really woke, wake up. I'm not your enemy. He's not your enemy. The white folks are not your enemy. The brown folks are not your enemy. The black man not your enemy. The devil is your enemy. Wake up. The devil want to see us all in destruction. He come to steal, kill, and destroy. Somebody got to wake up and tell y'all the truth. It's spiritual, man. It's not physical, man. Wake up, man. Hey, I love you, man. I feel your pain. Every time I look at the TV, I just want it to change. He said, every time I look at the world, I just want it to change. I feel your pain.